Great morning, student. Hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 4, getting started with the word processor application. This lesson we are going to start, that is our 9th class lesson, that is from the part 1, that these are the word processor program we doing the work here. Okay, now first point is our introduction to word processing. So first point is introduction to word processing. In this we discuss about the introduction of the word processing. Now next is a word feature of the word processing. This feature of the word processor. Now after that word processing applications क्या होती हैं, we are going to discuss. And introduction to LibreOffice Writer, what are the LibreOffice Writer, and we learn about related to the LibreOffice. Now next is starting LibreOffice Writer. Okay, now last point is our conclusion. So these point we are going to discuss in this video one by one. So listen carefully, students. Introduction to word processing. Okay, so these are word processing software: Notepad, WordPad, OpenOffice Writer, Word 2013. So word processing is a use of computer software to enter, edit, store, retrieve एंड प्रिंट डॉक्यूमेंट. वर्ड प्रोसेसर क्या है? एक कंप्यूटर का सॉफ्टवेयर है जो एंटर, एडिट, स्टोर एंड रिट्रीव मीन्स एक्सेस डाटा या गेट डाटा एंड प्रिंट आउट द डॉक्यूमेंट के यूज होता है. नेक्स्ट इज डॉक्यूमेंट रेफर टू द सेट ऑफ रिटर्न पेज. क्या होता है डॉक्यूमेंट रेफर टू द सेट ऑफ रिटर्न पेज. द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिएटिंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट इज कॉल्ड डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. डॉक्यूमेंट कैन बी लेटर, रिपोर्ट और बुक्स. मीन्स जो डॉक्यूमेंट है वो लेटर भी हो सकता है, बुक्स भी हो सकती हैं और रिपोर्ट भी हो सकती हैं. लिब्राऑफिस इज़ अ फ्री डाउनलोड एंड ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर. ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट डाउनलोड किया जा सकता है. वी कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम द www.libreoffice.org. दैट इज़ द वेबसाइट ऑफ LibreOffice. We can open the software of this. Now that is our OpenOffice Writer, because according to our syllabus we learn OpenOffice Writer. The feature of Open word processor is firstly edge and speed. Edge and speed. A word processor provide the easier and faster method to type the letter. Now next is editing feature. A word processor provide the editing feature. Editing, you can edit your text, delete, move, cut, copy, paste, everything you can do in this feature. Now next is formatting feature. Formatting means changing the appearance of the document. So that is a formatting feature. We can change here, change our text, text color, background color, bold, italic, everything we can do from there. Now next is storage feature. We can store our document in this feature. Graphic feature means we can insert picture, animated picture, any types of picture we can add here. We can draw also any picture. Printing feature, you can take the print out of your document. Which document you make, that type of document you can insert, take print out. Okay, so now next is vocabulary and spell check feature. There is a vocabulary and spell check feature also available. When you write any word, if there is a mistake, then red line and green line also come in your text. If green line come, that there is a grammatical error. If red line come, that is a word mistake. Mail merge also a great feature, because in this feature we can send the message to many person. Next is OLE. OLE means object linking enables feature. That is the we can make the link of other documents. So these features are provide the word process program. Okay, so that is our open office writer. Now word processing application. Word processor is a application software. क्या है ये application software? What is the application software which solve the particular problem? That is the application software for creating, editing, saving, printing document. Creating means you can create any data. Editing means you can edit your data, means cut, copy, paste. Saving means you can save your data for future. Printing, you can take print out from the computer. Now notepad, wordpad and आर द बेसिक प्रोसेसर. जो नोटपैड और वर्डपैड होते हैं ये विंडो के ही कंपोनेंट होते हैं, ये एक्स्ट्रा हमें डाउनलोड नहीं करने होते हैं. तो दैट आर द बेसिक वर्ड प्रोसेसर नाउन एज द टेक्स्ट एडिटर. क्या बोलते हैं इनको? टेक्स्ट एडिटर्स. वाई वर्ड एंड राइटर वी कैन मेक द चेंज इन द स्टाइल, insert decorative text and insert graphic object also. Word art is a main feature of the word processing software. So that there are some word processing applications. First is desktop utility. Desktop utility क्या है? Notepad and WordPad, that is the main function. MS Word, that is the application software name beta. OpenOffice, LibreOffice Writer, Google Docs. So these are the software, and Google Docs is the internet utility docs also. That provide the space in our internet site, and we can write here. So these are the introduction to LibreOffice. These are the Office Writer. Then OpenOffice 4.1.7 and OpenOffice Writer. That is the LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is a word processing application of the LibreOffice suite. Okay. So you can say that in Microsoft Office you write here a Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word is the word processor application of the Microsoft Office suite. Office. So there is only name change. LibreOffice Writer is the word processor application of the LibreOffice suite. Introduction to LibreOffice Writer. So first is there, it produces a letter, report, notice, newsletter, etc. Modify the text using the color. Modify means change, edit. Okay, using the color, styles, font, border and various effect you can give. Insert the graphic, use the drawing tool and draw the picture. Copy and move the text. Preview the text before printing. Integrate the object, other file and applications. Okay. So starting the LibreOffice Writer, we can open the LibreOffice Writer following ways. There are the 3 ways available, 4 ways available. First is start menu. Go in start menu, LibreOffice 6.2 choose and LibreOffice Writer from the program file. Second way is type the LibreOffice Writer in the search bar and press enter. Now third is double click on the LibreOffice Writer shortcut icon and your LibreOffice Writer will be open. Now next is we can open the LibreOffice Writer by following ways. Start menu and search box, LibreOffice window and writer document. Writer document वहाँ से करेंगे तो open हो जाएगा. Now in this video we are going to discuss, that is a conclusion time. Word processor. Firstly, introduction of the application software. Word processor is a use of computer to enter, edit, store, retrieve and print the document. Okay. Now next we discuss here how many application software we use. That is the word processor. What are the word processor and what are the word processor we use? That is a Notepad and WordPad. That is a basic software. बेसिक वर्ड प्रोसेसर प्रोग्राम एंड MS वर्ड यानी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, LibreOffice एक्सेट्रा. सो लास्ट इज अ फीचर ऑफ Microsoft LibreOffice we are going to discuss, means formatting of this document. It help to make the document attractive. Okay, I hope you understand all the things related to this Thank you, student.